What's going on? This is yours truly, Damon Little, Temperature Pros. You know my slogan, hot or cold, call Temperature Pros. We're in this attic. This is our second call. Customer called and said that the AC is not working. We noticed that the outdoor condenser is running, but there's no airflow. So we're going to check to see if it's a bad motor or capacitor. We'll be right back. All right, this is the capacitor. I'm checking. It's a 7.5. It's reading 3. So we're going to change this and see if this is the reason why the blower is not running. So I'm going to put a new one on. Bring this camera down so we can see. Sometimes it's like this in this industry. It's that time of year. Hot attics. Let's see. See. There we go. You know my slogan. Hot or cold, call Temperature Pros. All right. Now that we got it up and running, we need to go outside and check our Freon pressure because this is an older system. We don't know if there's a leak on the system or what, but that's one problem we had. It's hot in this attic. This is the other side of HVAC that you guys don't get to see. Sweat. Woo! It's hot. But I like it though. I love being in the attic. We'll be back. All right, we are out of that attic. It's hot, sweating. We got them up and running. The customer is happy. We did have to add a pound of refrigerant, R22. Customer just wanted to get up and running. They said they'll think it over. They know their system is old. That system is like 25 years old. It's an old York unit. But we was able to get them up and running. They're happy. I'm happy to be out of the attic. So that's it for today. You know my slogan, hot or cold, call Temperature Pros.